Hi, this is Jim Beidler for Family Tree Magazine. I'd like to tell you about a Germany-based megasite known by various URLs including genealogy.net and compgen.de. We'll simply call it CompGen in this video. CompGen has portals with German genealogy information, including valuable databases, but also background info and history about Germany and former German-speaking areas. CompGen is a free site, though a login is required to access some features. Let's take a quick tour of CompGen. First of all, you can do a search of all of CompGen's databases with Metazuka, but this search times out after 10 seconds, so you may not see results from all the databases. A better strategy may be to search the databases individually. There are also databases such as one of public member trees, which goes by the acronym GEDBAS on their site. There's also city directories, and distinctively German books called Ortsfamilienbücher, which are village or community history books abstracting the people of the village from documents such as church records into their family groups. Let's take a quick tour of that. The markers show each city that has an OFB in the database. We're going to choose one from the listing of town names below, Oberesslingen, and in here it gives background information. As well on the left, you can go to the surnames, choose a surname, and then it pops up the people with that surname in the book, and in this case gives you all the information about that person, and also says that you go to another OFB for more information on her also. There is also an online gazetteer to help you find German villages on CompGen, and it's the jumping off point for dozens of local and regional German genealogy societies that may be able to help you. If you have German-speaking ancestry, taking a look at CompGen is a must-do.